Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how we can automatically insert date and timestamp here in Google Sheets. So first you want to go here to the top left, then click on File, then click on Settings, then go to Calculation, then you just want to make sure that this option is turned on. So just click on Save Settings, and after that, you just want to go ahead and copy this formula to where you want the date and timestamp to appear. So I'm going to click on column D, and then I'm going to write this formula. Then just make sure that you're going to put an equal symbol before the formula. And this formula codes for if column A was edited, a timestamp should appear on column B. And after you've written that, just click on Enter. And then now I'm going to write something here on column A. After I click on Enter, a timestamp will now automatically appear at column D. So that's it. Thanks for watching.